Flashing Fireflies by Laura Hamilton Waxman. Firefly Bodies. Fireflies are brown or black insects. They have flat, oval bodies. Fireflies have 6 legs. They have 2 antennae. Fireflies have hard wing covers. Thin wings for flying are below the covers. Where to find fireflies? Fireflies often show up in summer. They live in warm, damp places. Many fireflies live in tall grass near water. No one knows for sure what grown fireflies eat. Most fireflies probably eat food from flowers. Some may eat nothing at all. Young fireflies eat snails, slugs, and small insects. They kill their food with a shot of poison. What fireflies do. Fireflies make light in their abdomen. They flash the light on and off. Other fireflies see the flashing. It tells fireflies where to find one another.